Good morning, K3. Welcome back to a brand new day of learning. Guess what day it is? Today is Tuesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Monday. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Wednesday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of October. Can you help me read the date? You can. Here we go. Today is Tuesday, October 19th, 2021. Awesome. You guys are just amazing. Now, I want you to look up here at the whiteboard, and we have some words. And the beginning letter of the word here is A, then B, then C, then D. Do you notice? Because the alphabet has an order, like we sing A, B, C, D. Okay? So I'm going to say a word, and I want you to tell me what letter the next word is going to start with. Are you ready? Can you try? Okay, here we go. This word is add, and it starts with the letter A. What's the next letter that comes after A? Do you know? B, that's right. And this word says bag, bag. Do you notice that there's a little happy face on top of the vowel? Yeah. Okay, so here is the next one. C. C comes after B. What does this word say? Cat. That's right. Cat. Here's the next one. What letter is this? D. That's right. D comes after C. And this word says dog. Dog. Super. You guys are just amazing. Okay, let's do it one more time. What's the first letter in the alphabet? A. That's right. And this word says at. What comes after A? B. That's right. And this word is bed. What comes after B? C. That's right. This word is cap. What comes after C? D. That's right. And this word is duck. You guys are just amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. And look, open your eyes. Look what we have here. We have, dun, 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 Lucy Lamb. La, 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 la. La, la, le, le, la. And here's Tony Tiger. Hi, Tony Tiger. Ta, 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 ta. Super duper. Now, remember, we just learned the new letter yesterday. It's a consonant. The name of this letter is B. It makes the sound B, as in bell. Ding, 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 ding. B says boo, boo, boo. And look who I have here. I have Berry Bear. Ha ha. Look it. Ba, ba, bi, ba, ba. Ba, ba, bi, ba, ba. Look, he's so happy. And guess what? We're going to make a word. Our first word. You're going to read the whole word. Are you ready? Bat. 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 Did you see the word? Bat. Bat. A bat. I have to get two hands. And hit the ball with the bat. Woohoo! Okay. What about, let's see. We could do one more word. How about if we do bet? Bet. Bet. I bet you are amazing and you're reading words. Ah, so exciting. Okay, now I'm going to bring the flannel board over here. Dun, 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 dun. And look, you want to see something? We have a big happy face here. And look, here are the vowels. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. And we're going to make the short sound. Remember, we always mark it with a happy face, okay? So, here we go. Let's do this one. B, A. Now we're going to make a word. Are you ready? Bat, 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 bat. Swing that bat. Woohoo! And the ball went way in left field. Awesome. Okay. Let's see. Now, we're going to use the letter O. What does the B and the O say together? Ba. Ba. That's right. How about the letter U? Ba. Ba. And what if we put the T at the end? We can make another word. But. But. You're reading. Awesome. But I know you will keep practicing. Okay, what about the letter E? That makes the sound eh, eh, eh. Be, be. What if we put the T? Bit. Super duper. Alrighty, and last but not least, we have the letter I. It's just missing its little friend up here on top. We've got to make sure we always put the little dot. There we go. Bit. 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 I bit into an apple and it was delicious. Okay, so this is our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. You guys did so good. Whoops. The letters started coming down. Don't worry, Teacher Christy will pick them up in a minute. Okay, so it says here, letters and sounds page. No homework today. Let's just keep practicing, okay? You're doing great. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.